Hello traders, welcome to the channel. The idea behind these videos is to show you free indicators available on TradingView. In this video, we will see the indicator called Volume Suite by the user Leviathan Capital. This indicator includes several volume-based indicators such as volume delta, relative volume, buy, sell volume, cumulative relative volume. In our case, we will only use one of those options that we will see next. In the indicator configuration, we will choose the Cumulative Relative Volume or CRVOL option. As we see, the volume at the bottom of the chart changed. We will make one more modification, but in this case, we will change the color of the volume bars, making them more colorful. If we look at the CR volume, the chart resembles what the price does. However, if one looks at it in detail, it shows differences. This is because the indicator shows the cumulative relative volume values. This helps us to analyze the trend strength of the asset, the market sentiment, but mainly, and what we are going to use it for, is to see possible divergences in volume. To see the divergences, we are going to consider the highs and lows of the chart, and we are going to compare them with the same points on the CR volume. For example, here we have two lows on the chart. We see that in the CR volume the second low is higher compared to the previous one. This indicates a divergence in volume. From here, the price begins to rise. Let's look at another example. In this case, with two maximums in the price. If we compare with the CR volume, the second maximum is lower than the first. This tells us that the price is rising with lower volume, and it is likely that the price will begin to fall. How can we use these divergences to our advantage and see what would be the optimal point to take a trade? In this case, we can complement the CR volume with the well-known squeeze momentum indicator from user Lazy Bear. Here there is no specific time frame to use the CR volume indicator, but it will depend on the user's preference and the time frame they feel most comfortable operating. Let's look at some examples using both indicators to take a trade. We see that the price makes a lower low, but the same does not happen in the CR volume, which is why we begin to have a divergence. Next, we need to watch the squeeze to see if the momentum of the movement force begins to decrease. When we have a dark red color, then we have our confirmation to take the trade. Let's look at another example. In this case, the price reaches a higher high in price, however, the opposite occurs in the CR volume. In this case, we hope that the squeeze indicates a dark green color. At that moment, we took a short. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget that in the GitHub link in the description of this video, you can find all the indicators that we have demonstrated on this channel. Hope to see you in the next video.